So I'm going to introduce it to Charles now. He's our vintage and veteran expert, and he's been working on this Rapier.
So this is a 1936 Rapier based on the Lagonda design. After Lagonda went bust in 1935, Rapier cars were set up as a separate company. This car came in with a mechanical problem with the engine, where the timing chain had broken and dropped lots of bits into the bottom of the engine. So it's had a complete rebuild, and we found lots of things wrong. So it's been rebored, it's had new pistons, new timing chain tensioners supplied by the Rapier register to a new design, and it's all up and running again. The gearbox has been rebuilt previously before the car arrived here. It's got a 4-speed pre-selector gearbox, and we have tested it on the rolling road, and that's all working now. It needs a bit more running in on the road, and we've got a few more jobs to finish off because it's going to be used for hill climbs and sprints. So we've got to fit it with various catch tanks and then just generally check over the car. And it's entered for Prescott Hill Climb in August later this year. So in detail, it's got a 4-cylinder 1100cc twin overhead cam engine. It's rumoured that Jaguar, when they designed the XK engine, had one of these engines in their design department during the Second World War, but I haven't really found any direct similarities with the XK engine, having rebuilt a few of those. But it's quite a compact little unit, quite heavy for its 1100cc, but they were used in competition at Brooklands. Some of them were supercharged also, and there's one particular famous Brooklands car that actually appeared on the Antiques Roadshow not that long ago.